Were you all hesitant to get into UX UI / join Avocademy, and how did you overcome it?
I was so nervous because I still remember our call. I don't know if you still do the calls with people who are thinking of signing up, but I was so nervous because I knew that traditional education just never worked for me. I can't sit in a classroom, and I'm still shocked that I was able to do a boot camp, but I was nervous. I was worried it was a scam because you see all the things don't go to Reddit because everything's a scam. If you don't go with the trolls, they will tell you it's a scam. I overcame it by just talking to you. I just felt like, okay, this has to be real. This has to be legit. I got a good feeling and I jumped. Also, I think during COVID, people are a lot more motivated to learn new things. And thankfully, unfortunately, I signed up during a pandemic.
Since I was working in a school when COVID hit, we all went home, and I realized that I really wanted to work from home and stay from home and stay at home and, do that. And so I was trying to find out what else could I do? What else could I focus on? And I actually took this copywriting course thing, and that didn't stick. And so when I found UX, I think I found the industry on TikTok, but found Avocademy. I don't even remember how, just researching all the things. And I think after meeting with you, Maka, I just had decided it's kind of a now or never.
Yeah, I'm glad you all took the jump. I love seeing, folks that I talked to back in the day when I was doing those calls, now in these jobs. And I still get emails from people that are I'm ready to do it. And I talked to them back then, and they watch these things and they're that could have been me if I would have just signed up. We still